Yes, guys, I know that my videos are coming after a long time now, but the fruit of wait is always good, guys. You guys already know that I'm working on a course. In between, I take out time like this to bring nice content for you guys. So here I have taken out my car silencer pipe because my car was doing a loud sound. Now how to take out the silencer and how to put it back, all those videos I will upload on my Rice Garage or Rice Fix channel. You can go on those channels and watch those videos. If you guys have not subscribed to those channels and if you like to do repairs by yourself, then that channel can benefit you a lot. So see that you subscribe to that channel as well. Now if you look at this pipe closely, then you guys can see that how many holes are in this pipe. Now these holes somehow the welder can patch up, but guys, the connection part of this pipe where the silencer is connected to this pipe, this connection was rusted and worn out. Now to make this part correct, it becomes very difficult for the welder. I went to a welder and that welder suggested me that I should go to a junkyard and check if I am getting a second hand pipe there. Now because he told me to go there, I went there. Luckily I got one pipe. Now this pipe was little bit different, but guys, it was perfect in the fitting. The resonance chamber on this pipe was slightly different, but the fitting, guys, was absolutely spot on. Now this pipe I will restore because there is lots of rust on this pipe because it was outside in the rain. But if you compare this pipe with my old pipe, then I will say that this pipe is in very good condition. There is not even a single hole in this pipe. And from inside also, guys, if I tap on it like this, it sounds nice and strong. Now this pipe cost me 1500 rupees. I got a very good deal. If I went to repair it, then also it would cost me almost the same. But instead of that, I got this good deal. So come on now, let's restore this. Now to restore this, you guys know that first you will have to start with the sanding process. So if on your silencer pipe there is rusting like this, or if the silencer on your bike is rusting, then also this video can be very helpful to you because the process is the same. So here I have started with my sanding process, and the moment I started with the sanding, you guys can see that the color of the silencer only changed. It became red kind of. All the rust which was there on the surface, it all started coming out. And after I was done with the sanding process, you guys can see my hands and the sandpaper, everything became red kind of. So guys, after doing the sanding, my silencer looked something like this. How much dust is there on the table, you guys can see that here. So I'm done with the sanding process here, guys. The next thing that I will do is, I will use pressured air to blow out all the dust. And before I apply the coating on the silencer, I will wash this silencer pipe thoroughly with the dishwash soap, because on top of this some diesel fell which I had used to clean this. There is sanding dust on it. So while you are doing the painting, you don't need all these things, guys. That is the reason why I have even cleaned the table thoroughly. Now to scrub this silencer pipe, I will make use of this Dettol kitchen cleaner. So I will take this kitchen cleaner inside of my bucket first. Then I will use a Scotch Brite like this. This is like a green pad, guys, which I will use to scrub. So both of them I have put inside of my bucket. And now I will add water to my bucket. And I will mix the soap inside of the bucket itself first. As you guys can see, my soap is mixed inside of the bucket. So come on guys, now let's clean this silencer thoroughly. So guys, after washing the silencer thoroughly and after rinsing it, immediately I will use pressured air to blow out all the water. I will try to take out as much water as I can which is there on the surface. It is because guys, I have just done the sanding, and if the water stays for too long on the surface, then the rusting process will start immediately, which I don't want. So immediately whatever water was there on the surface, I blow that out with pressured air. And now guys, I am using a heat gun to dry this pipe completely. So the moment I blow hot air on the silencer will become totally dry. Not even a single moisture will stay on it, because this heat gun guys becomes very hot and it will heat up the metal. And now because the metal became hot, all the water on the surface will dry up immediately, which you guys can see here. So here I'm done drying the silencer pipe, guys. So now I will place the pipe on the table in such a way that I can spray the paint on both sides of the silencer, because this pipe guys, it stays in one position only. if I keep it on this table. That is the reason why I will have to use a hack, and I will have to keep it in such a position that so that I can spray the coating on it. But before I keep the pipe in position, I will do one more thing, guys. I will wipe the entire silencer with thinner. If you guys have wax and grease remover, then you can use that to wipe the pipe. At the moment I don't have wax and grease remover with me. That is the reason why I am using thinner here to wipe this entire pipe. Now as you guys can see, I have already kept the silencer in position. First I will keep the silencer in this position and I will apply the coating on this side first. On top of the table I have put plastic. I have even put plastic on the pillar here where the silencer is touching. I have done this so that the overspray should not settle there. Like this you will have to protect your things, guys. You can even call this masking. So without doing the masking, never spray the paint. Now the next thing, guys, this is my coating. I will make use of this 3M coating. I have used it many times in the past. It gives very good result. It doesn't come out with the heat and it stays on the surface for a long time as well. So before I apply it, I will shake the can thoroughly like this so that the mixture inside the can mixes properly. And once it is mixed properly, now your coating is ready to be sprayed. So come on, let's start to spray the coating on the silencer pipe. So as you guys can see, I am done applying one coat on this side. If you want, you can even apply 2 coats on one side. And once you are done applying the coats on one side, give it at least an hour to dry properly. Let it dry on one side properly first, because this side will be touching the table now, because you will be painting the back side now. So I will turn the silencer now. Now this silencer stays like this only on the table, guys. So it is very easy for me to spray on this side. That is the reason why I sprayed on the difficult side first, and most of the area I have already covered from the other side. Now as you guys can see, now I will apply the coating on this side of the silencer. So guys, in between while spraying, see that you shake the can properly as much as possible so that the spray will come out nicely. So guys, with this I am done restoring this silencer pipe. I would like to remind you that if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. But before that, let's check out the final looks of the silencer.